Holland has been in the fixed plant rail welding business for well over 30 years now. A fixed plant location gives opportunity to weld high volume levels in order to produce continuous welded strings anywhere from 800 feet to 1,600 feet long. Holland's productivity is the highest in the industry. We are able to produce on average 19 welds per hour, 257 welds per cut, and we achieve an uptime percentage of 97% plus. With Holland's expertise and our commitment to quality and high productivity, we set ourselves apart from the competition and can offer our customers the best value in the fixed plant welding business. The first step in the welding process is to polish the rail, where an operator uses a grinder to clean dirt, dust, grease, rust off the top and bottom of the ends of the rail. We start the weld cycle. The machine produces the weld, and when it's complete, an internal shear mechanism is activated and it shears off the excess material that's produced as part of the weld process. After the quenching operation is complete, the rail will proceed down the line to the finish grinding station, where the finish grinder polishes the weld to match the profile of the rail. Once the finish grinding is complete, the process moves down to our four-way press and inspection cart. There, the press operator performs 3 quality control processes. He does a visual inspection of the weld, a straight edge and taper gauge inspection, and a mag particle inspection. The string proceeds through a pusher and a series of lead-out stands into CWR trains and ready for transport out to the job site. Our ability to produce a high-quality electric flash butt weld using Holland-developed weld programs and control systems gives the best quality electric flash butt weld that there is out there.